Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to convert SPayLater to GCash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So there is not a direct way to do this as there is no official method to transfer between these platforms. However, you can purchase load or vouchers or sell those to someone who can pay you via GCash. Or you can also utilize trusted funds by simply opening your Maya QR and saving it into your device, then scanning it. So once you do this, you can simply coordinate with friends or family who can use your SPayLater credit to purchase the item they need, and then you can get reimbursed via GCash. Or you can use this Maya business account and go to your wallet. Then once you tap on wallet, then you can find deposit to bank. Once you tap on deposit to bank as well, you can simply choose your GCash as a blank banking platform. So once you do this, you will be able to convert your SPayLater to your GCash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.